What's good? I'm back. What's tonight? Today is Thursday? Today Wednesday. Today's
Wednesday.
I don't know what damn day it is. It's Thursday, huh?
Yeah.
Well, check this out. I'm in here with my guy tonight, and young cat has got his first clothing line he's about to do right now. So I need you guys to do me a favor. What a positive dude. I'm gonna get to him in a second. Please, after you watch this, please give my guy a follow. I'm not begging you. I'm asking you from the bottom of my heart. The dude is beyond his time. Is that the word? Way ahead of his time. That's what I was looking for. Check us out.
Yeah.
All right, man. What's your name?
My name is Barlos. You know, I go by Solos. I make music. I'm here with the homie, you know, aka the T-shirt guy, aka Matai. You know, I had to pull up on my.
He pulled up my music name.
Bless. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, my brother out here creating flattering animation. Hey, I'm satisfied on what I got. And
yeah.
Y'all need to tap in for sure.
Not just me, but check us out. I think the beauty of it is when I can connect with these young guys, man, that have this vision that I wish I had when I was his age. My man just became of age. 21?
22.
22?
Yep.
Okay, so you hella old then.
Damn.
Not really, but I mean, you know, you will
Yeah,
eventually be my age, which makes you hella old. In fact, you'll have some of these gray hairs in a minute to kind of go along with that old age you'll have soon. But look, no, on a serious note, he's doing his thing. Very positive dude. Give my guy a follow. What is your Instagram handle?
A Barlos with 3 S's.
How do you spell that?
AYEBARLOSSS.
That's a hell of a lot of S's. Look,
hey, they were all taken, you know.
I lost you after ABY something.
Man,
Give my guy a follow.
my ass gonna be there.
Yeah, let me show you some of his clothing line really quick. We just did. So of course I had to give him a I Wear Liquid shirt. You guys know my brand, but this is his thing. It's called TPG Standout. Big old rocket on the back. Got a TPG on the front. I'm gonna show him the TPG on the front one time. You know, look. Okay. And what's the back look like? That's my guy. So look, again, follow my guy, please. Support his line. Look, just say something in a post right now. Give him some love. Show him some appreciation. Give him some motivation, because this is his first time, and I want y'all to look out for him, man.
Shout out to the TPG group. We're gonna keep it pushing. Yay!